Opening argument. The government should not require food companies to label whether or not a product is genetically modified. The government should not have the right to demand a company to include a label that may be misleading. Adding a genetically modified label to a product promotes the idea that there is something wrong with the food, which may be untrue. In Darren Bask's 2016 Heritage Foundation article, he stated that the government would convey to customers that there is something wrong with genetic engineering. He then goes on to mention that this is exactly the opposite of what the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has concluded. Genetically modified food labels may lead consumers to stray away from products, which in turn negatively affects the overall company. Not only does it affect food companies, it also affects the agricultural industry. Bask states that about half of U.S. cropland, or 169 million acres, was used to grow genetically engineered corn, cotton, and soybeans in 2013. Using these labels could affect the farmers and agricultural industry who grow these genetically modified foods. It should be up to the company to choose whether or not to include genetically modified food label. Overall, it is clear that government should not be allowed to require food companies to label genetically modified foods.